Thank you. Good evening, everybody. I'm Archana Sachdev, and this is my co-host, as you all know, Brian Tellis.
Good evening, Archana. Thank you very much. How do you feel tonight, people? Don't let me down. I've been here before, and we've always had a great crowd with us. I said, how do you feel tonight? Hey, now you're sounding like my kind of people. Good evening once again. Welcome to the Abbey Awards, the 31st All India Awards for Excellence in Advertising, presented by the Advertising Club Bombay, sponsored, importantly, by CNN International and TNT Cartoon Network. It takes a lot to come forward and sponsor a night like this. A round of applause to CNN International, TNT Cartoon Network.
Thank you. Is somebody coming up from Everest to collect the award? And in addition to Everest receiving the Golden Abbey, we have a check of $500 from our sponsors CNN International and TNT Cartoon Network for the winning team and their colleagues in the media department. Thanks, Tom. Thanks, Jerry. Go on.